Good morning, students. Welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to do another paragraph, which is value of books. We are learning about the values and importance of books in our second unit of English Reader, and let's get started. Before writing the paragraph, we have some clues. With the help of these clues, you will be able to write this paragraph very easily. So let's see the clues first. Clues are the key points of this paragraph. So the very first clue is our best friends. The books are our best friends. Second is, we learned in the poem Adventures with Books that they are storehouse of knowledge. Then lighthouse, they give us the right direction like a lighthouse. Then the books are good teachers. Then there is a variety of books. We read about different kinds of books in the poem also. And books are read for fun and knowledge. They give good company, and there is no match between books and TV, radio and mobile phones. So no match with TV, radio and mobile phones, and they are our best companions. So with the help of these clues, we shall write the paragraph. Let's see how you will start. Books are our best friends. The very first clue is our best friends. So we shall start like this. Books are our best friends. They are valuable to us. They are the storehouse of knowledge. They are the treasure of knowledge, or you can say. We can get the knowledge of everything from books. They show us the right direction like a lighthouse. A lighthouse shows direction to the sailors in the sea. And similarly, the books show us the right direction like a lighthouse. They are our teachers who teach us good things. टीचर्स हमें अच्छी अच्छी बातें सिखाते हैं, तो बुक्स भी हमें सारी अच्छी बातें सिखाती हैं. एंड दे मेक अस गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. और बुक से अच्छी अच्छी बातें सीख के हम अच्छे ह्यूमन बीइंग्स बनते हैं. देयर इज़ अ वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ बुक्स. बहुत अलग अलग तरह की बुक्स होती है. देयर इज़ वाइड वैरायटी of books, and some are full of interesting stories. We read them for fun. Then there are history books. They tell us about our past. Past means history, जो टाइम बीत गया हमें उसके बारे में बताती हैं. And there are religious books which throw light on our gods and goddesses. हमारे देवी देवताओं के ऊपर भी बहुत सारी किताबें हैं हमारे पास. बड़े बड़े ग्रंथ होते हैं, एपिक्स हैं. सो रिलीजियस बुक्स थ्रो लाइट ऑन आवर गॉड्स एंड गॉडेसेस. बुक्स आर इन फैक्ट आवर रियल फ्रेंड्स. टुडे वी हैव TV, radio, mobile phones, computers, internet and many other means of knowledge and entertainment. आजकल हमारे पास बहुत सारे और सोर्सेज भी हैं जिनसे हमें नॉलेज मिल सकती है, हमारा एंटरटेनमेंट हो सकता है. बट दे आर नो मैच फॉर बुक्स. लेकिन We cannot match all these things with books. Books can be used at fixed time only. Sometimes there is network problem. On the other hand, books can be read at any times and places. कभी इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम होती है तो हमारे मोबाइल नहीं चलते, कभी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की प्रॉब्लम होती है, कभी पावर चार्जिंग ख़त्म हो जाती है. तो देर आर सम प्रॉब्लम्स विद दीज ऑल अदर मीन्स ऑफ communication and entertainment, but books can be read at any time and any place. कहीं पे भी हम बुक्स पढ़ सकते हैं, कभी भी पढ़ सकते हैं. So one never feels lonely in the company of books. और एक बुक्स की कंपनी में nobody feels alone, nobody feels lonely, because books are our best companions. So this is the paragraph of value of books. You will write it in your English B notebook and learn it. It is very easy to learn. Most of the points we have covered in our unit 2 of English Reader, and you can add your own lines also. कुछ और भी ऐड करना चाहते हैं आप इसमें तो you can write whatever you want to write about books. So that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.